Hi, my name is Ria and I'm a sophomore at a high school, and I really enjoyed this research program because I have learned so much in so many different areas. For example, my amazing mentor, Dr. Shrivastava, she has taught me both not only how to use research and research efficiently, but she also taught me how to apply it to the project that we were doing, which is on postpartum depression. And we chose this project because we were basically going over projects, and that just struck my mind the most in the neuroscience area, so we decided to do that project together. We used professional websites and databases to do the research on my topic, postpartum depression. And overall, I learned a lot of things that I didn't know before. For example, before I only knew that postpartum depression causes stress in women, and I thought it only affected women and mothers. But now I know that it also affects fathers and children as well. Adding on to that, I also learned different types of drugs and their effects on postpartum depression, and which drugs are approved by FDA like Brexalone and which drugs are not, like ketamine and sertraline. Researching through a lot of articles, I learned a technique that helped me get through all of those articles quickly, because if I just wanted to search about one thing, there was about 200 articles on that topic, and I don't have that much time to read through every single article, which was about 60 pages long. So she taught me an efficient way to look for the key points in the articles and get the greatest takeaway from it as well. I also researched about clinical and preclinical trials. For the clinical trials, we learned how the drugs had the effect on humans, and for preclinical trials, we learned that there are certain ways to test on mice, even though we can't physically talk to them or ask them to do a questionnaire for us to see their answers. Dr. Shrivastava and I have also talked about many things not included about the research, so I believe we do have a friendship between us as well. For example, I was having a tough time figuring out what the difference between a psychiatrist and a psychologist is, and she helped me understand that. I have been able to overcome many challenges and many problems that I face, and without her, I wouldn't have been able to go anywhere. I wouldn't have even known where to start researching. I wouldn't have known how to organize all my research, how to put them in different sheets, and how to graph them on a map, and things like that. First off, I want to say thank you to the SkoolMentor program, because without them, I would not have been able to meet Dr. Shrivastava and learn all about this research and how it feels like to be a researcher. Because I know that as a high schooler, it's really hard to experience this experience because high schoolers aren't allowed to. They are too young. But with the SkoolMentor program, I have been able to experience this and know how it will feel like when I grow up, or get older at least. Lastly, thank you so much to Dr. Shrivastava. She has taught me so much, and she has helped me so much along the way. She has always answered my questions, no matter how dumb it is or how much it is either. And she has always spent extra hours with me, helping me understand something as well. I really hope that I can do this program again, probably for a different project, because I've already done postpartum depression. And I do hope that I can get Dr. Shrivastava again, because she was such an amazing person. Thank you.